Using the law of attraction at work. Can you use the law of attraction at work? Of course you can. However, if you make any grand statements that you're doing it, expect some interesting reactions from a few coworkers. Not everyone will believe in or support your efforts. My name's Michelle, and on this channel, I share tips and techniques for building a life you love through personal development and the law of attraction. So honestly, who needs to know you're doing it? Unless you have some people you can trust this information with, why not keep it to yourself? It's a thought process anyway. Why do they need to know what you're thinking? It's none of their business. Interestingly, some companies are embracing the concept of law of attraction, and why not? Creativity can be the net result of it, and what company wouldn't want its employees to be more creative? Small business owners are also embracing the concept to try and increase sales for their business. Businesses that haven't embraced it, well, they can in the future as the concept gets more popular. Employees who are more creative and encouraged by the company will enjoy their jobs more than those in less creative or more restrictive roles. When employees enjoy their jobs, they contribute more, and they champion the company and its mission. This can be a great opportunity if you own your own business and have employees. Start small by implementing the technique yourself. Hire a coach or consultant who's an expert in law of attraction. You can be the guinea pig, or you can select a trusted employee to try it out. If it works out well, implement the program company-wide. It's always natural to hit some resistance in the beginning, but as more employees participate in the training and implement it in their work, those who were resistant will likely take to it. There may be one or two who simply refuse to accept anything new. Change management is a whole different video series, but refusal to try new programs or offerings at work is often a sign that employees may need some coaching or alternative options for employment. Now, if you don't have your own business and you work for someone else, there are plenty of resources you can explore online or at your library. Just search for the phrase law of attraction and see what kinds of results you get. It's wise to start small, maybe a book or two on Amazon or at the library. Take a look at some videos on YouTube to see what it's all about. Even my other videos have a lot of ideas and techniques you can try. A few exercises to get you started would be using some creative visualization, practicing affirmations, removing negativity, and keeping a journal. Let's take a quick look at each of these. So you might have heard about visualizing your goals. You can literally do this any time of day. But if you want to influence your emotions and performance as they relate to your job, it might be worth getting up a few minutes earlier so you can do a little visualization before going to work. Even just a few minutes in a calm, meditative state where you can picture yourself reaching your work goals, that can help set you up for success throughout the day. Next is affirmations. A lot of law of attraction success stories involve the use of affirmations, and for good reason. You have a lot of flexibility when it comes to your affirmations, so don't think you have to stick with some thing that someone else thought up. Think about what your goal is and come up with something catchy and positive that feels right for you. Using affirmations as part of your morning routine can be especially powerful if you speak them to yourself while looking in the mirror. You might feel silly, but this exercise is especially really great. It's a great one to consider if you're thinking about how the law of attraction can help you at work. Next, let's talk about removing negativity. You could recite thousands of positive affirmations in front of a mirror every single day, but you'll undermine your own results if you keep thinking and speaking negative thoughts throughout the day. You know, that negative little voice inside your head, it can get pretty loud. And you might also catch yourself sharing a negative thought or two when talking to other people. Promise yourself that you'll shut down your internal critic every time it tries to intrude on your positive vibe. And remember to only speak positive and motivating things when you talk about work. Keep practicing these little habits, and they'll become a natural part of you over time. Let's not forget the last item I mentioned, keeping a journal. Not everyone keeps a journal, but there is something powerful about seeing your hopes and dreams written out on paper. It just makes it real somehow. Describe your visualizations. Write descriptions of what your career will be like. Write your own dream job description. And reread these writings every time you need a little reminder of what you're working toward. It's also a great place to keep track of all the small success stories and milestones along the way. You can be totally creative with how you use your journal. Decorate it, write in it, draw in it, paste pictures from magazines into it. But one thing I have to say, and this is important, this journal should only have positive things in it. If you need to vent or cry, those are normal feelings, but this journal isn't the place for it. Also, you might want to focus on one thing at a time. If that's career, then it's career. Try not to stray into other areas of your life all at once. Keep your focus. Now, keep in mind, law of attraction is a natural complement to achieving your goals and keeping your mindset focused forward in a positive way, both personally and in your work or career. So that's what we have for today. I hope these tips are helpful and inspiring. If you thought so, please hit the thumbs up button to give it a like. Also, comment below and let me know any questions you have, or share the technique that resonates with you the most for creating a great work life. And finally, if you're new to this channel and you haven't already, remember to hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell next to it. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining me.